Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. You see, today we will discuss how to create CSS shadows that look like these images. So, we know CSS properties like box shadow to create shadow of any object or any element. But the tricky part is how can we create a shadow on carrot? How can we create a shadow for PNG image or SVG image, or how can we create a shadow like this one? You see, for the drop downs mostly use uh, caret on the top of box. So yeah, these one is tricky because every time we apply box shadow it only applies on the container, and it is very difficult and to apply shadow, a continuous shadow, you can say that continuous shadow to caret and the box as well. So today my topic is this, so you will learn, and if you have any question, let me know. Let's jump into the code. Okay, so here I will create I'll use an HTML snippet, so it will quickly create my HTML, and here I will link a CSS file. Let's see, it is in app.css, and let's create a div with a class, let's say caret, and here we will write style. Here we will write style like, let's say caret, width 0, height 0, border bottom. Let's create a big caret. So yeah, 0072 BC, and border left will be 50 pixels solid transparent, border right will be 50 pixels solid transparent, and you see, here is our caret. So let me show you my first example. You see, let me add some space here, like 15 pixels. Okay, so let's try to add a box shadow here, like 0, 0, 5 pixel and red. So you see, here in the box shadow didn't work like that. So it creates a shadow of a box for the whole box, not the styles we are using. So here is the magical trick of CSS. We can do that using, let's comment it out, using a filter property, drop shadow. Here you see we can add like 9 pixel, 16 pixel, 4 pixel, and like you can say red. See, here is the actually carrot shadow. It is looking like a carrot shadow, so we can add this one, and you see the result. Yeah, we can play with the position of the shadow, like 15 pixel on the left, or like 55 pixel on the left, like I can say 87, you can say like 18, or 5, or 0. You can use 0 as well, so it will create a clone of it. Okay, so yeah, here it is, the quick solution of drop pick shadow creation. So you can use in your projects. So let's try another example. Let's say we have a drop down menu. Let's say we have a drop down menu. Let's comment it out and create a drop down menu like ul dot drop down, and inside it I will create like 5 LIs. So list, we can say that which create list item dollar. So it will create a list of uh, list items, you can say that. So let's dive into the styling. So here we'll add a drop down. Let's say list style none, padding 0, and add a margin of 30 pixels to have a space around it. And yeah, and one more thing, let's say add a width to it like 220 pixel. And now we are styling drop down li, add padding 8 pixel, 15 pixel, background like you can say, you can add a background like #0072 BC. Okay, and one now we need to add a caret here. So let's do that. So for the drop down before, we will use before here, and position absolute, and you can say inset to -25 pixel, auto 10 pixel, and border bottom 25 pixels solid, and let's use the same background 072 BC, and border left 25 pixels solid transparent, border right 25 pixels solid transparent, and yeah, here it is. Oh man, where it goes. So let's see, we missed position relative here. Let's see, position relative. Yeah, here it is. And now you can say that it is looking like a drop down menu we use in mostly our apps. So let's add a little bit more margin here for spacing. Okay, so you see, let me try to show you a box shadow. What will a box shadow will do? Let's say 0, 0 and 10 pixel red. You see, here it creates a box of the shadow, and if we apply on the drop down, then it will create a box shadow only on the container. How can we add a shadow on the caret that looks like a caret? So here is a trick, you learned it. Let's see. Okay, let's add the color here and remove the drop shadow. Oh wow. You see, there is a shadow behind the caret that looks like a shape of caret, and then it is going continuously downward. Okay, let's say, let's increase its, yeah, you see that. And if I make it like 0 and make it 0, okay, so let's make it 0 as well. So you see here, let's make it 2 pixel. Yeah, 5 pixel is good. You see, there is a very outline where kind of thing in the shadow, so it looks like it is a shadow of everything, and it also follow the shape of the content. You see, let me zoom out if you see it clearly. See here, you see a shadow on the carrot and continuously going all over the container. So yeah, that's the thing you can apply here and on the parent. So yeah, it will apply it. I hope you like it. Let me show you another example. How can we add this shadow to an image? You can use a transparent image, you can use an SVG as well. So let's check this out. Let's comment this one and add an image here. Okay, and IMG logo transparent, and let's add a class here, class logo. Okay, and let's go to this one dot logo and add width like 22 pixel to 20 pixels, sorry. And you see, if I add a box shadow here like 0005 pixel red, it will create a box. So this is not a required behavior we need to achieve, because you know, in the PSG designs there are a lot of kind of shapes going on nowadays in the web design. So yeah, we can achieve those shadows on below the shapes as well. So let's use the drop shadow here, filter. Let's copy this one quickly and paste it here. Oh, you see, here is the shadow which only applied according to the shape of the image. You see, so for this one you need a transparent image. I have used a PNG with a transparent background, so it is giving my a good result here. See, in the where it says code with Muzamil, so this is a background of white, so this is not like you can say dropping a shadow below it. So yeah, let's try this one. 10 pixel, 8 pixel. Yeah, you can see that there is a consistency between the shape, image, and the shadow. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, kindly click on the like button and subscribe my channel. I will upload lots of videos soon. So yeah, if you have any question or need any help, then comment it out. I will definitely answer. And also, if you have any difficulty achieving something, you can also comment me. You can follow me on Instagram and drop me a message. I will create a video for your assignment as well. So yeah, thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel.